of equality, equity, and then what we call as liberation, which is nothing but justice. ये है equality. 3 बच्चों को माँ बाप ने बोला बेटा जाके मैच देखो, टिकट दे दी, तीनों चले गए, बेचारा ये इसको देखो जरा, ये कैसे मैच देख रहा है. इक्वालिटी है, यही तो इक्वालिटी है. फ्लॉड कॉन्सेप्ट है. तीनों को सेम हाइट के डब्बों पे खड़ा कर दिया, जिसको जितनी जरूरत नहीं है उसको ज्यादा दे दिया, जरूरत से ज्यादा, और जिसको जरूरत है उसको दिया नहीं. तो जिसको जरूरत है वो सफर कर रहा है. How do you address this problem? By the concept of equal protection of laws or the concept of equity. You take something from someone who is privileged and you give it to the underprivileged so that all three of them can be at the same level. But see, this is not a long-term solution. आप कब तक support करते रहेंगे? Till what time will you keep supporting this child? Ultimately, one thing is that you should of course give opportunity to this child so that he can also grow up to the same level as the other two. One is that. But till that time, that does not happen. जब तक वो नहीं होता है, तब तक क्या करें? हमारा emphasis होना चाहिए कि जो barrier है उसी को हटा दीजिए आप. You remove the barrier itself. This is justice. Justice is when you address the flaws that are present in the system, so that you don't need to make any special favors in favor of any particular person or any particular community. All of them would be equal and free to compete with each other on an equal playing field. But achieving justice requires systemic changes. ये barriers अगर आप Indian society के concept में देखें, तो ये caste है, religion है, sex है. You know, all of these are barriers which are preventing some people from accessing. देखिए ये क्या है? This is entertainment, some kind of a public service, right? So people are not able to access the good things in life because of the barriers that exist in the Indian society. Consider this to be some tribal boy from Dantewada, right? And consider this to be some upper caste boy from Delhi. Barriers that exist in the society in form of caste discrimination, in form of religious discrimination, in form of gender discrimination are not allowing the weak and the disadvantaged to access these services. तो आप कहते हैं भाई हमने थोड़ी ना रुका है, दे लो जाके कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम तो दे ले दंतेवाड़ा का बच्चा. पर क्या आपने उसको वही सेम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोवाइड किया जो आपने दिल्ली के अंदर एक बच्चे को प्रोवाइड किया है? क्या आपने उसको वही सेम फैसिलिटीज दी स्कूल में, कॉलेज में? डिड यू प्रोवाइड हिम विद द सेम टाइप ऑफ फैसिलिटीज इन द स्कूल एंड कॉलेज? दंतेवाड़ा के अंदर तो छत नहीं है, स्कूल के अंदर टीचर नहीं है, देयर इज नो ब्लैक बोर्ड इन द स्कूल. दिल्ली के अंदर देयर आर स्मार्ट बोर्ड्स दैट आर बीइंग इंस्टॉल्ड इन द स्कूल्स टुडे. हाउ कैन अ चाइल्ड फ्रॉम दंतेवाड़ा compete with a child from Delhi until and unless you make some special arrangements to help him compete with a child from Delhi? Unfortunately, that will never happen. So equality is a flawed concept because it does not take into account that all the time people are not placed in equal circumstances and there are barriers in the society that exist that need to be dismantled. And till the time these barriers are dismantled, till the time we achieve justice, we need to emphasize on equity. Another diagram which I like this diagram better actually, to be honest, as compared to the previous one, to explain the difference between the concept of equality, equity and justice. This is inequality. The tree is loaded on one side, it is bending towards one side, both the children are waiting for the fruits to fall down, one is getting it, the other is not. This is equality. They are saying कि ये तो equally है, but equality is actually inequality only because you have not addressed the problem. What is equity? This, you give a higher platform to the child on the other side where, or the person on the other side where the tree is not bending towards, so that they can get access to the fruits of the tree. But what is justice? You give both of them the same platform, but you address the systemic issue. Systemic issue क्या है? पेड़ में issue है, इंडिया की सोसाइटी में issue है, इंडिया के गवर्नेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स में issue है. It is in the institutions that have been created, both social institutions, political institutions and economic institutions. All three of them have structural issues that only promote some specific kind of people because of their systemic design. That needs to be addressed if we want to address equality in the Indian society in the longer run. अगर longer run में equality achieve करनी है तो यही तरीका है, वरना आप देते रहिए advantage weak को, पर आप कब तक देंगे? Till what time will you give? Ultimately, your attempt should be to address the systemic problem, right? So that is the point that I'm trying to make as difference between equality before law and equal protection of laws. So equal protection of laws allows the state to make positive discrimination in favor of those who are weak and disadvantaged. Equality before law is a negative concept that does not allow the state to discriminate at all. So reservations that have been provided in India are an example of equal protection of laws. In America, there is affirmative action. वहाँ पे reservations नहीं है, कोटा नहीं है, जैसे इंडिया में है, but they have affirmative action where their policies try to promote the interest of the blacks, black education. That is another example of equal protection of laws. So both of them are ultimately trying to achieve the same goal of equality, but in different ways. One which is saying कि नहीं कोई difference ही नहीं है तो दोनों को same treat करो, but दूसरा कह रहा है नहीं, जहाँ पे difference है, those people who are placed in a disadvantageous position उनको recognize कीजिए, categorize कीजिए और फिर उनको help दीजिए so that they can compete at the same level with the others in the society. This is the difference between the concept of equal protection of laws and equality before laws, which are guaranteed by the Indian Constitution in form of fundamental right to all the persons within the territory of India under Article 14 of the Constitution. Is that clear to everyone?